Today I'm going to be playing Subway Surfer. And yeah, we're going to be playing it today. And yeah, it might be a bit laggy, but let's get started. Hope you subscribe and like the video. Definitely hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and let's get on to it. Probably when the video comes out, my voice might be like bad or something. So for some reason that happens. So let's go play. I'm so scary. I have to get that dude. What is it? Dash. Dashing. Hey guys, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's. No, today I'm pretty sure January 8th or 7th. I'm pretty sure it's 7th. I'm pretty sure it's 7th. Let's keep playing. Oh my gosh. I'm scared. Yeah. There's no Oh yeah, guys, remember, you didn't get a present for Christmas. You're getting a present for a New Year's. Remember, free Robux. Free Robux. Remember, we're gonna make the group. Remember, my brother's gonna make group. He might give 100 Robux away. Me, I'm giving thousands of Robux away. Up to 10,000, as much as you want. Because when this video goes out and I get the money, guys, look. I remember what I said in the first video. I don't want to be bad. I'm using the money from this video, the money from my YouTube channel. I'm using that money for buying Robux and transferring that Robux to you guys. That's what I'm doing for you. That's what I'm doing for you. Transferring the Robux to you.
Can I tell you something?
Yes.
And by the way, guys, if I have 100 Robux, I'll give you guys 10. But if
I'd rather say you come here, because I don't think they can hear you. So come. He wants to say something.
Guys, I'm Michael's brother. That's Ninja, and I just wanted to say how much. If I have 100 Robux, I'll give everyone 10. But if I have a lot of Robux, I'll give you all 100.
Guys, don't worry. Every video, we're gonna go to our group, and we're gonna pick a random person, and the one that have been like
Chosen.
Yeah, the people that are wearing my merch, they'll get 2,000, and remember, 2,000 Robux, and I'll be selling more. Oh no, I'll be selling the merch, but not yet soon, because I still have to get the money and transfer it to Robux and transfer it to you guys. But guys, first, I have to use that money first to make my character, and stuff. And yeah, and then after, I'm gonna make the group and transfer it to you and do builders clubs and and one thing, and remember subscribe to my brother. He only has three subscribers. I still have 0 because I haven't been posting a lot because I've been sick. That's why. And yeah. So what do you want to say, Evan?
I wanted to say, guys, if I just see you guys randomly, I'll give you guys. If I have a lot, I'll give you guys 100. If I have a little bit, I'll give you 10. But if I see you guys wearing my merch, I'll give you guys like 500. 500, Michael.
My brother, he's giving people a little bit because I think he just wants to keep his Robux, right?
No, that's cause since I'm little, maybe I'll get, cause you're gonna get more than me, remember?
Because I'm probably gonna post like every day, but not every day, because tomorrow we have to go to school because our vacation is over, so
yeah. So
on the weekends we'll be posting, and we have to, guys, don't remember, Guys, remember.
Guys, remember, subscribe to my channel
And
and don't subscribe to this guy.
Really? What? Guys, remember to subscribe to both of us.
Subscribe to me more than him.
He already has 3 subscribers. I have 0. Because I've been sick. Guys, remember, subscribe. Smash the like button.
Wait, remember you said that you had 2 subscribers?
Oh yeah, 2 subscribers. Actually,
2.
those are my other account, I'm pretty sure.
Mike, do you see your tablet?
Yes. I
Do you
don't care what I'm
want a
buying
different?
this.
Do you want a different tablet? Do you?
No, it's okay, the one that I have. It's
No,
just
I
that,
just wanted to ask.
no.
'Cause
I'm sure I'm getting an iPad.
if you want an iPad, you need enough money. So your tablet is on sale now.
Whoa! Guys, you don't know what happened, but he put like $3. Is this $350, boy? Dollarama?
It's for sale. Your tablet is for sale now,
I
Michael.
don't want it to be on sale. Guys, this is really sad. I don't have the money yet to get Robux. So remember, I will be giving it. I promise you guys. I will.
You guys want? I just want to tell you guys something.
Sad
We
about the
have
topic.
money at home, but
We're saving up for the Robux.
we have money at home, but we have to ask first for it if we want to transfer it to Robux. So make sure you hit this button.
Remember to like his videos too. His videos came out like
2 minutes ago.
like 20 minutes ago.
Yeah. It just
Go watch
uploaded.
it. Go watch it.
Watch the Subway Surfer one. It's so good. First I'm a girl, and then I transferred to a boy so fast.
I was in it a bit,
Yep.
and he's gonna post the video of
And I got.
it's called When My Brother Rages,
Yep. And guys,
and the guy's gonna see how I rage. It looks so funny. I don't care if you guys laugh. Like, I don't care if you guys laugh. My English is so terrible right now. Yo, I'm only playing with my pointer finger.
Yeah, me too. That's what I do sometimes. But guys, I went to the place where you get 3 keys. I went there. Those 3, I could click 3, and then I got 9 keys. So I'm saving up all my keys. Wait, could I see this one? Whoa.
16 keys.
Whoa, 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 whoa. I want this one.
I want this one. It's cooler. This one's a normal. This one is like, what's a red belt? I
You know this one? This one, I don't even like that one. Because look, underpants.
It's not underpants. It's not underpants.
It is
Guys,
underpants.
remember to like the video.
So, peace.